Welcome to an outdoor shoot of Cook Speaks this time. We are standing here right now with my cameraman Sagar Tiwari. We are here at the BHL Golf Club. There you can see all the players playing. A typical Friday morning, afternoon. There is, you can see Dr. Nirbhay Shrivastava, the famous ortho, waving his hat. That is the CRPF retired DIG, IG, Mr. Raju Chauhan. And we have come here. Sagar, can you just focus on the car? The main focus is on this beautiful golf car made to design by an ex-Fauji, Captain Chibber. Now, we'll be talking exclusively with Captain Chibber regarding this lovely golf cart what he has made. It's been made locally in Bhopal, designed and much cheaper than what is available in the market. And they are on the last hole now. Yeah, not a bad shot. So here I am with the lovely golf cart made by Captain Chibber, one of the golfers here at the BHL Sports Complex. Captain, a hearty welcome. And thanks for joining us in Cook Speaks. They were in the last hole and they finished off, and then we are sitting here. This is the golf cart which I wanted to discuss with Captain Chibber. Of course, the reason why Captain Chibber made this golf cart is because of these two knees which you can see are strapped. He had the knee replacement. That also we will talk with a very famous ortho of Bhopal, Dr. Nirbhay Shrivastava. Kaptan Sahab, the concept and the idea of making this golf, basically because of the knee operation?
Yes, earlier I started playing golf at the age of 65. That was 2017.
Okay.
2017.
Okay.
The Arjun Award winner, Ali Sher.
Yeah.
He had done a camp here.
Okay.
So we had joined that camp.
Okay.
So I learned from him, right? And I was playing normally, but my knees, as it is, they were quite bad because I had an accident in the army also, my left knee.
Okay.
Okay. And then in 2021 I was carrying on, but it was not very enjoyable because the walking was painful actually. So I decided to go for surgery. Now surgery, I had two choices, whether in Bhopal or outside. I chose Bhopal, but due to my cardiac reasons I was forced to go to Delhi, which is advised to go to Delhi by my family. I was pressurized rather. So
how many years of married life now?
81, so it is 44.
तो pressurized होना बनता है.
It's more of the daughter than the wife. More of the daughter.
Okay.
And gone to Delhi, Fortis Escorts.
Okay.
And there the appreciation of the doctor was that your bone density and this thing is very good. Your muscles are very good. You've been a sportsman all through. You've been an athlete. I would suggest that you go for both the knees. And you are telling me that you want to play golf and you want to play 18 holes a day. I'll make you fit for that. But you have to take the both knees, because otherwise you will come back to me after 6 months. This is after seeing my X-rays of both the knees. So I gave it a shot. I said, okay, if you're confident, we'll go ahead. So we went ahead, and unfortunately the surgery went bad. When the surgery went bad, when I came back to Bhopal after the surgery, I suddenly found that my knees are not taking the load and they've become heavily knock-kneed. That means the angle of the knees has changed. In the language we call pigeon feet. Pigeon feet is
flat foot,
knee downwards, the legs are spread far. You see, I was in the army, selected in the army, and I was in the army, a competent officer. I had no issues of knock knees, right? But today my knees are 6 inches apart.
Oh my God.
If I close
you
my
were
heels.
discussing something about the angles, in the medical language.
Angle in the sense, Dr. Nirbhay would be better.
Yeah, we'll be having a word with Dr. Nirbhay positively.
What I have been told by doctors of Hyderabad, because the case is sub judice also.
Achha, you've gone to the court?
I've gone to the court.
Okay.
And because it is sheer negligence actually, and ignorance.
Please convey to the audience the negligence, because we go technically, many will not be able to understand. But you were referring something about the angles.
I'll explain you that. You see, in the knee surgeries, the straight line is taken from the hip through the knee
Yeah.
to the ankle. That
Okay.
is the straight line.
Okay.
And the surgeon has to maintain a tolerance level of maximum 3 degrees, right? So he has to bring the knees in that line, the center line from the hip bone.
Correct.
So unfortunately, whatever the reason may be, my left knee today is 20 degrees out.
Oh my God. Oh my
And my
God.
left kneecap broke in 2023.
Oh my God.
It is split.
Oh my God.
My right knee is 18 degrees out.
Oh my God.
And it was becoming very difficult to play golf.
But that is bad. That is bad. I mean, if the tolerance level is 3 and you are talking about...
Unfortunately, the
Yeah.
surgery went bad.
Anyway,
I mean,
that's a different equation,
right,
but must be
right.
pretty painful for you.
It is painful. It is painful. I cannot walk, in undulating land. ऊबड़ खाबड़ जगह पे चला नहीं
So
जाता.
that was the reason you made this.
Yeah, balance issues हैं. And I can't climb the stairs like a normal person. I have to drag my left feet forward and come down with my right feet. So all these issues are there. All these issues are there.
We have one of the players who were playing here for the viewers of Cook's Peaks, Dr. Nirbhay Shrivastava, a very famous ortho, retired as the Dean of the Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal, a keen golfer, a very good cricketer, a very good tennis player, personally known to us for years. So we'll just discuss regarding this operation. Dr. Saab, can we just join us for some time? ये जो कैप्टन छिब्बर बता रहे थे और जो हमारा एप्रीहेंशन था, जो रिकॉर्डिंग के पहले भी मैंने आपसे पूछा, जैसे कैटरेक्ट का ऑपरेशन होता है या नी का ऑपरेशन होता है, तो कहते हैं ना पुराने ज़माने की जो थ्योरी थी, ऑर्थोडॉक्स थ्योरी थी, क्या गो वन एट अ टाइम. So did he commit a mistake by going in for the operation for both the knees at one time?
The decision whether to do the one knee at a time or both the knees at a time is the decision of the surgeon to begin with.
Okay.
Surgeon has certain parameters and certain points on which he decides whether he can sustain both the knee surgeries at the one time move. And maybe for that reason the surgeon decided, looking at Vijay's fit body and his keenness to play sports, he must have thought that both the knees can be done together. However, if we go by the statistics, 90% people prefer one knee at a time, but 10% do undertake both the knees together for various reasons. One, fitness is there, so they have to have the rest period which is required after the surgery, which is doubled in case you do it after 2 times. If it doesn't one time, he'll have pain, and then pain will be there for both the knees at one time only, and then he will be fit in a earlier time.
Doctor Saab, over a period of time, being a commentator, traveling a lot, meeting a lot of people, normally cases I have seen, normally, I will not say 100%, but maybe about 10 to 20% cases for sure, that the operation done simultaneously on both the knees, the patient has suffered. I mean, some or the other, वो कहते हैं ना यार एक घुटना खराब हो गया तो दूसरा तो अपना संभला हुआ है. तो ऐसा ये जो कंसेप्ट पुराना वाला है, क्या ये ऐसा लागू करना चाहिए अपने को? आपने राइटफुली बोला, इट्स अ चॉइस ऑफ द डॉक्टर, बट सपोज एज अ पेशेंट और एज अ सीनियर डॉक्टर एंड एज अ स्पोर्ट्समैन, बिकॉज यू हैव बीन अ स्पोर्ट्समैन, should we stick to this principle one knee at a time?
Now, what is going to be the difference by one knee at a time? Patient will have to endure the pain
The
for the
trauma.
same period twice in
Twice.
that
Okay.
twice. However, if both the knees are done, and we are aware mostly about the cases which have gone bad. Those who have the good knees, they normally don't talk about that they are having a good knees even after having the bilateral knee
Correct,
transplantation at the same time.
ये बात भी सही है, जिसका खराब होता है वही रोता है. Anyway, thank you so much, Dr. Saab.
But I have seen cases where both the knees have been operated simultaneously, and they are playing golf 18 holes twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yeah, I have a couple of friends.
तो मेरे ख्याल से छिब्बर साहब अपन तीनों नसीबा का मानते हैं, मेरे ख्याल ये भी बहुत बड़ा खेला होता है.
Yeah,
लिखा ही था कि खराब होना तो हो गया. He took a chance, took off of 6 months, spent money, and poor chap is now fighting a legal battle. So I think नसीब का खेला. Doctor Saab, thank you so much for joining us. So that was Dr. Nirbhay Shrivastava, so beautifully composed and said by Dr. Nirbhay Shrivastava. Chibbar Saab, now the vehicle for which I have main come, there have been so much inquiries from Bhopal and even from places like Delhi कि यार ये भोपाल में किसने एक लोकल बनाई है. First of all, to start with, cost effectiveness. Suppose I buy this vehicle from the market today, how much it will cost me?
Nearly about 1.885.
And how much did you spend on this?
I spent around the same, but outside vehicles are most costly. This is the most cost effective vehicle made in Bhopal, designed by me, actual design taken from the net and then modified according to my requirement.
No, that's good. Suppose the same vehicle designed with the parameters what you have set, suppose I would have purchased it from outside, how much it would have costed me?
You see, it depends. What happens is, it depends upon what your requirement is. I have seen golf scooters, tri scooters
Yeah.
on the internet for golf courses, single seaters also,
Okay.
right?
No, exactly the same specification. Everything the same.
Huh.
Everything the same.
I think it will cost you about anywhere near 2 lakh rupees.
So you save about 20-25,000 rupees.
Huh.
Number one. Number two, you are totally satisfied with the design what you have made.
Yes.
Can we just have
I want to put in one word.
Yeah.
I was actually making a single seater.
Okay.
My brother-in-law, Wing Commander Prasad, he also plays golf. He's at the moment in US.
Okay.
He said, if you're making a scooter, I would like to join you.
Uh-huh.
So I modified the design
Into
for
a double
two-seater.
seater. Did he contribute?
He did contribute.
Okay,
Yes. He did contribute.
That
He
is
is
good.
about 81 years old.
Okay.
now.
Okay. I know. Captain, can we just have a look? If you can just come down
Yeah.
and explain.
Yeah.
You know the thing. What Sagar? Can we just have a more better view, more close view? Can you explain, Vijay, exactly?
Yeah, okay.
Sagar,
Now,
can we?
this is an electric golf scooter. The battery is lithium. It is lithium, and the motor is 600 amperes motor. It can take the load and it can take the undulating area of this golf course also. It's a double-seater vehicle, right? 2 bags can be kept. You have a stand for flag. Then shock ups are there, and the sitting place is there. Now, if I can point out, this is the battery case down, and this is the controller. The charging is done in about 3 to 4 hours. The maximum speed is about 40 kilometers an hour, and one charge it goes. I mean, I've never taken it out. It has been in the golf course only. One charge retains for about 4 days.
Can we just have a glimpse round? Captain, can you explain
Yeah.
regarding the tires?
The tires are regular tires. These are international level tires.
Okay.
These are the tires which international golf courts, golf cars have.
Okay.
So these tires are very expensive.
How much?
This is about 28,000 bucks
Oh my God.
a pair, right? And then
All the 3 tires are the same.
all the 3 tires are the same. And then we have a space here. This is again the requirement, local requirement. This space here, you can see. I can put a box up here. I've just taken it out because at the moment we are not using it. It is wing nuts screwed.
Okay.
You can screw it.
Okay.
There is an ice bucket in it, right?
So you can have the ice bucket with ice and
can
chilled
have
beer.
Chilled beer if you want.
My
beer
God,
cases.
my
we
God.
can have cool drinks, and this is a very useful thing.
So
Otherwise-
was it taken
otherwise-
out? Was it taken out with purpose because we are coming for the shoot?
No, I took it out after the, let's say, the 2 months of use.
Okay.
Because we started in summers.
Okay,
And then the rains came in.
अच्छा okay.
So rains में इसका कोई काम नहीं था.
Correct.
तो निकाल दिया.
मैं कहा ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग की टीम आई तो आपने निकाल दिया.
नहीं नहीं. तो निकाल दिया. उसके बाद में लगाया नहीं है अभी तक. कि
Okay,
ऐसा
so that
हुआ
is these are the innovations what you have done basically. This is the handbrake, Sagar.
Yeah.
You see, I mean,
I
it's
told him that I want more control.
Yeah.
So
It's a simple design. If you basically see, it's a very simple design.
I told him I want more control.
You
So
got it
he-
fabricated and made in Bhopal?
Yeah.
Which place?
This company is known as Cryptic Motors.
Okay.
He's a local guy.
Okay.
And he was earlier in Govindpura.
Okay.
The new factory was getting made in Bagroda.
अच्छा, okay, Mandideep.
So he's gone to Bagroda now.
Okay, okay.
Mandideep.
But I think very well made.
So he made
सामने
it
का
here.
देखो,
He
Sagar.
made it here.
Yeah, you
So
got
I
the.
gave him the basic design.
Yeah, yeah,
and he
yeah.
was, and the modification I told him कैसे क्या करना है, क्या चाहिए, क्या नहीं चाहिए. He's given me a foot paddle brake.
Yeah,
He's
yeah
given me
देखो
a
foot
hand
pedal
brake.
brake. Sagar, you can just come little close, you know. So this is the foot pedal brake that
That is
the
a normal
brake.
foot pedal
Yeah,
brake,
yeah.
and that is the hand brake for
Yeah,
parking.
yeah. बताया.
Right.
The simple design, Captain. Otherwise,
Otherwise,
very
a simple design. It has got a meter here which gives you the speed and the charge.
Yeah,
written. If you come here, I'll show you how much charge is left.
Yeah. बताओ.
This is full charge at the moment,
Okay.
right? I have used up to 1 red and 1 green.
Okay.
Right? Now red is danger mark, as you all know, battery is going down fast. So this is the charging indication, this is the speed,
Okay.
right? And we have normal, we have a light here, we have a horn here.
I think it's been an absolutely superb design for the viewers. In fact, as I said, a lot of inquiries coming from various golfers. What exactly this gentleman has made in Bhopal. So I think you like it. If you like it, please revert back to us. We will be there. Captain Chibbar will be there to help you. Anyone pan India, pan world requiring any help regarding the making of this, the designing, we are there to help you. Captain Chibbar was saying regarding the little failure or a little discomfort after the operation. We'll just show you the difference. See, I'm standing here. Now he quoted he's got the pigeon feet.
You stand at attention.
Okay, stand at attention. Now this is what I'm standing in attention.
That is the normal position.
That's the normal position. Now we'll see how Captain Chibbar happens. This is what exactly he was trying to explain. Captain.
This, if you can see, my knees are together. It is known as knock knees, and there is a gap of 6 inches in my heels.
He cannot get this more than this. Can you imagine? Can you imagine this posture? This is what he's calling,
If you can see from my knees down, the legs are going like this.
which is known as a pigeon feet.
That means the angle of the implants have gone wrong. The bone cutting has gone wrong. And if you want to me my surgery, you want to see, this left foot is always swollen. I mean knee. Both my feet remain always swollen.
We can see the swelling here.
Yeah.
Yeah, swelling.
I was 9 inches shoe size. Today I am 10 and a half
My
because of this swelling. And if you want to see the condition of my knees, these are the
swelling. So you can see the swelling. My God, yeah. This is bad stuff. Okay, thank you so much. And as I said again, before we close, this is my position, see his position. Bad. This is really bad. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed, you liked it. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.